Jordan and I have always said that having Coco and Robbie has really prepared us for that day when we have children of our own. You can't even go to the bathroom in this house without being followed. When we're eating at the table, you can about imagine who's there, both the girls, and that is their way of telling you, hey, we're right here, just in case you don't want to finish all that food.
If she could sit in the chair at the table, she would. She usually always likes to kind of nuzzle under my arm. She just wants to smell the food.
She just likes to feel included.
Sky enjoys playing. Look at Robbie, right here, Sky. Hey, hey! You.
As someone who hasn't had dogs personally, it has really set in the feeling of like how much of a family member they are. They are genuinely my two little daughters. Yay, Coco! You're two! Okay. Oh, Robbie?
They go everywhere with each other.
They're literally inseparable.
Inseparable,
I mean,
yeah.
if one goes upstairs to go nap, the other one follows. They literally walk in sync. Like, they are just two little peas in a pod.
You go for a boat ride? Come on, watch Robbie. Watch Robbie. Come on, Coco. Come on, you can do it.
We've always said that they're the perfect balance. Like Coco, she is our old soul. She's our calm, gentle giant.
And Robbie, she's kind of reckless and careless. She's kind of like a wrecking ball sometimes. Robbie has probably taught a lot of habits to Cobra. She's the youngest.
Cobra, don't get jealous.
Unfortunately, we haven't been as strict with her. She's kind of had free range to kind of just create some bad habits. Cobra's kind of a little bit more reserved.
Did you see a bug, Coco?
But I think Robbie's carelessness and excitement just kind of encourages Cobra and kind of gets her out of her shell a little bit.
Robbie coming in has really given her more confidence, and both of them have this type of confidence together.